Hi there. Welcome back to another episode of Techie Tuesday with your pinay techie. In this episode, we will be talking about basic webcam errors. As what you can see, I am trying to start a Zoom video call, but I got a camera error message that I cannot start video. And in my camera app, I got "we need your permission" error message. So I'm opening my settings, check the privacy, and check the camera, and made sure that camera access is turned on. I started the video, but I got a grayish screen instead. Newer laptops nowadays, especially Lenovo Yoga models, which is what I have privacy shutter. Make sure that that is open or that nothing is blocking your camera. And ta-da! Another basic error message is "we can't find your camera." You also get this error if for some reason an update corrupted your webcam driver. Device Manager is always a good place to check. Just right-click your Windows icon at the bottom left corner and select Device Manager. Right-click the camera driver and enable it if it got disabled somehow. If you still get the same error in Zoom when you start the video, make sure to close out of the meeting first. You can always check if the drivers are up to date as well. Go back to Device Manager, right-click the integrated camera, and update driver. Then start a new Zoom meeting. Start video, and voila, there you are. Another error is just a gray or white camera icon with a line through it. If you see this, your laptop may have a kill switch or a function key that turns off the webcam. In my Lenovo Yoga laptop, it is the F8 key, so press that or press both F9 and F8 together. Kill switch is also a privacy shutter, so make sure you got that opened. That's it, folks, from your sweet southern pinay techie, here to lay down some take on you. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below.